Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tribogi. Today in this video I'll be taking you guys to Coimbra city tour. Coimbra is one of the central city in the country Portugal, and this is the university city. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel Tribogi, do subscribe. Coimbra is one of the beautiful city I have ever visited. When you visit Coimbra, you should not miss the Santa Cruz Bridge. And when you come from the Santa Cruz Bridge, you will be reaching Portuguese, from which you will be going to the downtown. Downtown is a place where many cafes, restaurants, and also the souvenir shops and as well as like vintage shops are present. So this is a place where the most of the tourists visit, and you would definitely enjoy going to this place. When you walk down this street, you will be reaching a beautiful square where there is a church and the city hall. And this church is the Santa Cruz Church, and here you can take many pictures, and this is a beautiful picturesque spot. When you walk next to the city hall, and then you reach a beautiful garden called as a mango garden. I'm literally translating from Portuguese to English. And in this garden there is this beautiful fountains, and you can take many pictures here because this is one of the beautiful picturesque spots. Around the university, you can see many church, museum, gardens, and here now we can see the new cathedral, which is the Catholic Church, and here most of the graduation ceremony happen, and it is a beautiful place where you can visit. Next to the new cathedral, there is this National Museum. This is one of the beautiful places to visit. However, you have to buy tickets when you have to visit inside the museum. The most beautiful and important spot of Coimbra is the university, because the entire city is built around this university, and most of the economic and as well as the tourism is because of university. So this is the best place you have to visit when you are in Coimbra. After visiting the university, you can walk down towards the botanical garden. Botanical garden is really beautiful because it has the greenhouse and also there are many species of trees and there's a fountain. You can sit here, and if you're visiting Portugal in a hot sun, this is the best place to hang out. This is a short tour of the Coimbra city. I hope you guys like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel Tribo Geek, do subscribe.